Maker Pro Paint is a water-based theming paint that comes with a creamy, free-flowing consistency right out of the bottle, perfect for brushing or rolling. But if you're planning to spray or airbrush, you'll want to thin it first so it flows easily and atomizes nicely. You can thin Maker Pro Paint with either distilled water or Maker Pro Paint Reducer. Don't use tap water. It can contain minerals that may affect how the paint sticks or dries. Thinning with distilled water works fine, but Reducer offers extra benefits. The formula in Maker Pro Reducer helps the paint dry faster, breaks surface tension for more even application, and improves how it levels out, giving you a smoother, more professional finish. The amount of reducer you'll need can vary depending on how you're applying it. For spray guns, start around 20 to 25% reducer by volume. Tune until you get clean atomization at your gun's recommended pressure. For airbrushes, go a little thinner, often about 1:1. Aim for a skim milk viscosity so it sprays evenly without texture. Once you've mixed your paint and thinner, let it sit for 10 minutes. This induction time helps reduce surface tension, so the paint flows and levels even better when you spray. In short, using Maker Pro Reducer helps you work faster and get a smoother finish. Mix, let it rest for a few minutes, do a quick test pass, and then fine-tune your setup for clean atomization. For complete guidance, check out the Maker Pro Paint Technical Bulletin or reach out to Smooth On.